So I'm going to be showing you how to make a pan de muertos. So I'm going to start off with whole wheat flour. And I just added 3 tablespoons of that, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, a 4th tablespoon of baking powder, and then a 4th tablespoon of baking soda. And lastly, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to it. And I'm just going to kind of just stir all the dry ingredients, and then I will be adding all the wet ingredients, which is 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna get that all combined. And this is just like a very easy way of making pan de muertos. There's a lot of different ways to make it. This is just a microwavable version of this recipe. So you want to mix it until you get it all combined. And then the last thing I am going to do is add some orange zest to it. And then I'm going to be adding it to this other bowl that I have already previously sprayed with non-stick spray. So now we're going to be microwaving it for a minute in intervals of 30 seconds. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave, and I am going to do intervals of 30 seconds. And we just want to check on it and check the consistency and maybe put it in a little longer, maybe like 30 seconds more. You're going to want to let it set for a while just while it cools down, but this is the consistency you kind of want, like kind of like jiggly still. So once you let it cool for a while, you could go around it with a paring knife just to try and get it out of the mold. And then I'm going to be flipping it onto the plate. And then I'm going to be drizzling some hazelnut spread on top of it. There's your pan de muertos.